Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to mine up to 500 USDT using this legit site I'm going to be showing you in this video. So watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on this update. Before I get started, I have a special gift for you all. I'll be giving out 7 premium courses worth over 30,000 naira to my subscribers. If you're my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, this is an opportunity for you to do that now in order to get qualified for this giveaway. To qualify for this giveaway, come down right here and click on the red or white subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe. Click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop any update in this channel. Click on the like button and come to the comment section and type how to mine free USDT, all tasks done. Once you do this, I'm going to know that yes, you've performed this task. Then I'm going to send the 7 premium courses to you for free. Now come to the share button and click on it. Share it to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed as well. Now let's get back to this video. I have dropped the link of this website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you right here. So this is the interface of this platform. All you have to do is to click on get started. Then you input your TRC20 wallet address. You input your password, then you click on start mining. Once you do that, you will be taken to your account and immediately your free miner will be activated for you. Now let's check the details of this free miner given to us. Alright, the name of this miner is V1.0. The mining speed is 1 HS and you'll be earning 0.00001388 TRX. And the starting date, this is the starting date when you opened the account. So with this, your account is up and running and your miner is active and running. That's all about mining for free on this site. But if you want to mine faster and don't want to wait for a while before you can be able to withdraw from this site, just like me, then you have to purchase a miner. I'm going to show you the miners right here that you can purchase and start mining very fast. The first miner here is called Bino Beginner 1. This miner is sold out for 15 USDT and is going to mine for 3 days. Your earning rate here is $8.5 per day. Your mining speed is 70% for 3 days and your total profit is going to be 25.50 USDT. Then you go to the second one. The second one here is Bino Beginner 2. This miner is sold out for 25 USDT and is going to mine for 3 days. Your earning rate right here is 16.6 USDT per day and your mining speed is 100% for 3 days. Your total profit is going to be 50 USDT. Here we have Bino Beginner 3. It's sold out for 40 USDT and is going to mine for 3 days. Your earning rate here is 26.6 USDT per day. Your mining speed is 100% for 3 days and your total profit is going to be 80 USDT. The fourth one here is Bino Beginner 4. It's sold out for 70 USDT for 3 days. Your mining rate is going to be 46.6 USDT per day. Your mining speed is 100% for 3 days and your total profit is going to be 140 USDT. And here we have Bino Beginner 5. It's sold out for 100 USDT and is going to mine for 3 days. Your earning rate is going to be 66.6 USDT per day and your mining speed is going to be 300% for 3 days and your total profit is going to be 200 USDT. Here we have Bino Individual 1. It's sold out for 125 USDT and is going to mine for 2 days. Your earning rate is 125 USDT per day. Your mining speed is 400% for 2 days and your total profit is going to be 250 USDT. Now let's go to the highest of all. Let's go to the highest one. The highest here is Bino Ultra. This miner is sold out for 1000 USDT and is going to mine for just 1 day. Your earning rate is 2500 USDT per day. Your mining speed is 3000% for 1 day and your total profit is going to be 2500 USDT. Now let me show you how you can purchase a miner on this site. Click on this 3 slash right here and click on accounts. Once you do that, you scroll down, enter your email address here, then you input your password here in the current password, then you click on save. Once you click on save, your account has been updated. Now all you have to do is to go back to the dashboard. Click on this 3/, then you click on dashboard. Now you scroll to the miner that you want to purchase. You choose one of the miner you want to purchase, then you click on buy now. You'll be given the wallet address to send your payment to. Just copy out the wallet address here, then head on to your wallet, then make the transfer. Make sure you send the exact amount that is here. When you make the transfer, it will take just 5 minutes for blockchain to confirm your payment. Then after the confirmation, the miner you bought will be activated automatically. And as I always say in all my videos, invest what you can afford to lose, because I am not a financial advisor. This is just an update for you all to make more money for yourself in the crypto space. So after mining, come to your dashboard and click on withdrawal. Click on this 3/, you go back to your dashboard, then you click on withdrawal. The minimum amount you can withdraw here is 20 USDT and the maximum amount is 10,000 USDT. So you scroll down and input the amount you want to withdraw, then you click on confirm withdrawal. Your withdrawal is going to take 20 minutes to be confirmed and sent to your wallet. So this is how you can withdraw your USDT from this site. That's all about this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss the next update I'm going to be dropping. And don't forget to claim your gift in the comment section. And for those that perform the task in our other videos, you can go back there and claim your gift. Alright guys, stay safe and God bless.
It's not a game, it's a